For decades, my passion has been helping people achieve healthier, happier smiles. Each patient who walks through my door is a reminder of how important it is to make healthcare not just effective, but also welcoming and supportive. But beyond the drill and the x-ray, I've always been fascinated by how we can improve the experience of healthcare and customer service on a larger scale. The systems we use, the way we communicate, and the innovations we embrace all shape these experiences. Today, I want to talk about something truly transformative: artificial intelligence. Now, when some people hear AI, they might think of robots taking over, or a cold, impersonal future filled with machines and automation. But let me tell you, that couldn't be further from the truth. In fields like customer service and healthcare, AI isn't about replacing the human touch. It's about amplifying it, making our interactions more meaningful, and enabling professionals to do what they do best: connect with people on a human level. Think about customer service. We've all been there. Long hold times, repeating your issue to multiple representatives, feeling like just another number. It's frustrating, inefficient, and frankly, unnecessary in today's world. AI can handle routine inquiries instantly, freeing up human agents to focus on complex issues that require empathy and nuanced problem solving. This shift doesn't just speed things up, it enhances quality. It means faster resolutions, greater availability, and a personalized experience that makes customers feel valued. That's the power of AI. With these tools, companies can be available around the clock, offering help and support whenever it's needed, and ensuring that no one feels left behind. Beyond the clinic, AI is empowering individuals to take control of their own health in entirely new ways. AI isn't a threat, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to build a more efficient, more personalized, and ultimately, a more caring system for everyone. By leveraging technology, we can create a brighter future, one where patients receive the best possible care tailored to their specific needs, and customers feel truly heard and valued at every step. The key is to use these advancements thoughtfully, always keeping the human element at the core of what we do. The future of customer service and healthcare isn't about replacing us, it's about empowering us to do more and to do it better. That's a future I'm incredibly excited about, and one that is within our reach if we embrace these changes with open minds and open hearts. And by the way, I am made with AI. Isn't it great? And remember, be the gift.